everyone, I'm Sara from the Willie Street Co-op North, and I'm here with some pro tips on how to get the most out of your gardening season this year. The first tip I have deals with watering your plants. It's really easy to want to water your plants on a schedule, but the interesting thing is you don't have to do that. Basically, let the plants be your guide. Have a look at them. If they're drooping and sad, they probably need some water. If they look robust and happy, they're going to be okay. If you have a garden or a raised bed, you don't need to water them as often as you would in a container. My second tip is, how do you decide what to plant? As you can see, there's so many choices to make. The best thing to do is to think about what you like. Do you like tomatoes? Try growing a tomato plant in a bucket. Plant a little basil around it. They taste good together and they complement each other. Do a little research, check out the growing conditions, check out how long it takes to grow, and then go to town. Also, start small. Starting small gives you a little wiggle room to see how it goes before you go all in. To help you get started on your organic garden, Willie Street Co-op offers plants from two local vendors, West Star and Voss Organics. All the seedlings from these vendors cost $3.99, and you can find them at any co-op site.